Hello everyone. Idli is one of the healthiest breakfasts because it is cooked on steam. So, why don't we make this idli some more healthier and some more tastier? So, today let us see how to prepare Ragi Idli or finger millet idli. So, take a bowl and add 1 full glass of urad dal into it. So, this is the glass. I'm going to take the other measurements also. So, whatever cup or glass you're going to take, please keep in mind that you should follow the same measurements for the entire process. So after taking 1 full glass of urad dal into a bowl, add some water and wash it for 2 to 3 times or else until the water in the bowl is clear. Later, after washing the urad dal properly, you need to add 2 to 3 glasses of water to soak it. See that you need much water only or more water only. So, and then place a lid on top of it, and you need to soak it for at least minimum of 5 hours or else an overnight. I have soaked here the urad dal for an overnight or an entire night. See, in the morning when you remove the lid on top of it, you will find the bubbles on top of it. This is the indication that your urad dal is properly soaked. Wash it and then blend it nicely, and then again take a bowl and add 1 full glass of idli rava or else rice semolina. You need to add another 1/4 of glass, so total 1 glass and 1/4 glass of the rice semolina you need to take. Wash it for 2 times and then squeeze all the water out of it and place it in a bowl. Now once you blend the urad dal, see, you will get like this puffier one. You will get this puffier one because you need to soak the urad dal properly. So once you blend it nicely, blend it without any grain of urad dal in it. So once you blend it nicely, add 1 full glass of ragi powder into it. Ragi powder is very easy if you prepare it at home. I have prepared this at home itself. All you need is you need to take ragi or else finger millet and then wash it nicely and dry it in sun for 2 to 3 days, and then just shallow fry it, and again then you need to dry it for some more time, and then you blend it. You'll get this powder. That's it. So once you add 1 full glass of ragi powder into this, you need to blend it nicely without any lumps. And once you're done with the ragi powder, add the rice semolina squeezed into the bowl, and then mix it again so that no lumps are in the batter. So this batter is ready. You need to see that this batter should be very fluffy. Once you get a fluffier one, then you can assure that you will have cotton or soft idlis for your breakfast, and you need to leave it for an overnight. For an entire overnight, if you leave with this to ferment, then this is where you'll get, see, once I dip the ladle inside it, you can see how it is like just like cotton and it's like foamy. So this is the nice consistency for your soft idlis. Again, you need to stir it properly and add little bit of salt to taste. You don't add much salt into it because you'll dip it in chutney, so that will become more saltier. So add a pinch of salt into it, and then again stir it properly, and then take the idli trays and then add 3/4 of the space in it, and then you steam it for 5 to 7 minutes. I don't add oil or ghee while placing the batter into it. If you want it, you can add it. It's up to you. So after 5 to 7 minutes of steaming, here are our delicious and healthy ragi idlis. See, this is very tasty and healthy also. So you can serve this with coconut chutney and also mouth-watering tomato chutney. Both the recipes are there in the videos. You can just go and check with it, both the tomato chutney and the coconut chutney, how to prepare in a simple way. See how spongy and fluffier these ragi idlis are. This is way more healthier than a regular idli. So try this and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Hope your family will love this too. So if you like this video or the recipe, please do comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting recipes. Thank you.